This video will show you how you can sharpen your face and define your features better. Do you also feel that contouring your face is a bit challenging thing to do? Good news! Today, I am going to show you how you can sharpen your face with the help of contouring.
The main spots for contouring include the area under your jawline, the sides of your temples, the sides of your nose, and the hollows of your cheekbones. The trick is to use your bone structure as a guide and build pigment as you go.
Let's start. Step 1. Cleanser. Apply a gentle cleanser on your face. Make sure you don't rub your face harshly. Now take a soft towel and gently cleanse your face. Step 2. Moisturizer. I'm gonna take a nickel-sized amount of my moisturizer. Since I have combination skin, I always make sure to apply my moisturizer after washing my face thoroughly. I will gently apply it all over my face and neck. Step 3. Apply the foundation. I'll apply foundation on one side of my face to see the difference. I am here using the sponge for even distribution. I will just gently dab the foundation on my face so it spreads nicely. Step 4. Contour your forehead. Now,
if you are a beginner, make sure you use contour powder and contour brush. I'm using contour powder because it gives a sharp and matte finish. If you want a dewy look, try using cream contour.
Now I will lightly apply the contour along my hairline, blending it smoothly from my temple to about 1/3 of the way to the center of my forehead. Now if your face is round and softer, you want to contour in a circular formation around the forehead. Step 5. Contour your cheekbones and jaw. After the contour around the hairline is well blended, I will now move down to the hollows of my cheeks. I will move the brush along the apple of my cheeks towards the center of my face and then back out. After the cheekbones, I will apply contour underneath my jawline from the bottom of my ear to just before the point of my chin. This will make your face look sharper, and don't forget to blend it well to make it look natural. Step 6. Contour your nose. Now I will add a bit of contouring to the sides of the nose.
Stopping about halfway down. Applying the highlighter only halfway down will give the illusion of a shorter nose. Make your nose look shorter and thinner.
Step 7. Finish with highlighter.
Highlight only the areas that the light would naturally hit, like your cheekbones, brow bones, the bridge of your nose, the top of your cupid's bow, and the center of your chin. This enhances the effect of contouring.
I will apply highlighter to areas that I want to highlight, such as my chin and cheekbones. I'm taking this highlighting brush. I will now apply the highlighter on it, and I'm just going to gently sweep it in an upward motion. Guys, blend all of the products well so that they look natural. Who knew contouring your face could be this easy? With a little practice, you will be able to contour your face like a pro. Step 1. Cleanser. Step 2. Moisturizer. Step 3. Apply the foundation. Step 4. Contour your forehead. Step 5. Contour your cheekbones and jaw. Step 6. Contour your nose. Step 7. Finish with highlighter. Try it out and let me know if it worked for you. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content. Bye!